Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to use the microwave to dry some leaves to make framed leaf art. Let's go. Okay, so I have this fern that kind of has seen better days. As you can see, it's kind of rough. So we're gonna use some of the good leaves to make some art. So I am just going to cut a pretty tip off. And we're gonna lay it between two paper towels as flat as we can. And then we're gonna put this in the microwave with a weight on top. So I'm just gonna use this glass spread dish and we're gonna microwave it for 60 seconds to start and then 30 seconds at a time until it is completely dry. So we're gonna lay this flat, put our microwave safe weight on top and start with 60 seconds. All right, let's check it. Pull our weight out. So it's definitely starting to dry, but I can tell it is still wet. It's not crispy like it should be. So we're gonna go back in with our weight for 30 more seconds. This feels pretty crispy to me. I'm gonna give it another 30 seconds just to be sure, because I don't want these to mold and any moisture is gonna have them molding in your frame. So 30 more seconds and I think we'll be done. So 2 minutes total. I would say it's ready. Okay, I have a few different frame options now that I have my ferns pressed. I have this tall rectangular frame that sits like that. I have this hexagonal frame that hangs on the wall. And then I have these two square ones that would be really cute ornaments. So let's make some art. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with the rectangle. And I want 3 fronds in this if I can make it work. So I'm gonna see how I can kind of lay these out the way I want them. Let's see if I can find another kind of curved one. These are so easy to dry in the microwave. And be really careful because the leaves do flake off pretty easily. So I'm just gonna kind of lay them how I want them. I think I want it like that. Okay, to set these in place, I'm gonna use just a little bit of Mod Podge, and I might break off some of the curly pieces. You can definitely use just like a little dab of hot glue or something. This is just what I had near me, and it'll dry clear, but I don't wanna put too much, so I'm just gonna dot it. All right, I'm just gonna dot it on a couple of the leaves and the lower stem. The good thing about Mod Podge is it is water soluble, so if you get it on anything, it wipes right off with a little bit of water, like my table here. Okay, let's try and get this back down without breaking any more leaves off. And this is just to help kind of keep it in place while we close the frame, and then it won't kind of fall down over time with gravity. Again, this isn't going to hold it completely in place, but it'll give it something maybe to stick to as we close up the frame. And this glue does dry clear, so I'm not too worried about any of it at the moment. Hot glue definitely would have been a better choice. All right. I'm gonna close it up here and let it dry, and then I'll go in with a Q-tip and get some of that glue off later, but we just need to kind of let it sit. But there we have our framed leaves. All right, let's do this guy. There, I think I like that. All right, again, we'll just let this dry. The glue will be clear. There we go. You could definitely add in some dried flowers, which I may go back and do later. I don't know where I stored all my dried flowers. It's been a long time since summer, but you can always add to this. And since this glue is water soluble, you can always wash this out, scrape out the leaves, and reuse the frame. So it's not permanent if you don't want it to be. Okay, last up are these little tiny square frames. And I want to use these really dainty ones that I found. I think I'm going to go diagonally. So we're going to cut them to size. And I'm not going to bother gluing these because I know there's not much space in these. So they can't really go anywhere. We're just going to close it like this. And look at that, how cute. And there you have it. That was a really easy way to make some original artwork using plants that you might have around the house. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys, bye.